What is Poutine? Poutine is a recipe from Quebec. Very, very popular recipe from Quebec, guys. So that's it, our Poutine and mango kiwi smoothie. So guys, this is our fry for our Poutine. I already got one, and here is the oil, and here is our meatballs. It's me who did the meatballs. The meatballs is only marinated with salt, pepper, paprika, Cajun spice, onion powder, and garlic powder. So I just fry that one. Left asparagus, the other one I will do with another recipe. So this is left. So I will mix this one with our meatballs here, so it's a sauce. And now, since our beef is already cooked, actually this beef, guys, is the $1 at Maxi sale last week. So cooking $1 si Maxi. La sementasi, ipatresyan, kasi this onion. Okay, we just fry a bit this onion. Yeah. And after that, guys, we're adding this garlic and asparagus and garlic. Lai asparagus, and this one I celery. Adding that one. I'm adding first the garlic. Okay, the garlic. Cook a little bit. I'm not burning the garlic here, guys. Brul pa the rice is yummy. Okay, paprika, these aspects. Okay, just stir like that. Just stir fry. Actually, you can eat this one with rice. Very yummy already. Okay. And now our slurry. Here I have a slurry, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and like about 1 cup. Like about 1 cup. Yes. Right. So that's Poutine, guys. There's a sauce. The sauce is looks yummy already, guys. Okay, our sauce is already done. So here, guys, I will add like half tablespoon of sugar, so that it's sweet, and I will add a soy sauce. Alright, we're adding now our soy sauce in there, like 1 tablespoon, and we're adding a ketchup, 2 tablespoon of ketchup, guys. Yeah, another 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and then we mix. Okay, mix that one. So if you want it spicy, let's add sriracha, but a little bit only, guys. Only that, very little sriracha. So guys, it's now the time to add this sauce here in our French fries. Yeah. It's only like that, Poutine, guys, and then we're adding cheese. Yeah. And then we will add some cheese, guys. So This is cheese curd, Kingsey, cheese from Kingsey, and then we're adding on top. Oh, that's a big one. Big, more cheese. Wow, more cheese, guys. That loaded with cheese. So it's ready. It's ready to rumble. That's our Poutine a la glory. Have a good day, guys. I hope you will try this recipe. Poutine. And I have a mango kiwi smoothie, guys.